In this video we will introduce our research based on XRAuthor, an accessible tool for authoring learning content with different immersion levels. We will explain some of our motivations for the research, demonstrate how XRAuthor works, and describe the procedure of the user study. So, let us get started. For educators, XRAuthor simplifies the authoring process by utilizing common items: a webcam and paper markers. To begin, place the markers in front of the camera, then launch the app in a browser to configure the visual representations of the markers, such as 3D models, colors, and text labels. Click Complete Setup once you're satisfied. Next, click Record to initiate video capture. Physically demonstrate the learning content in front of the camera, such as moving cards to illustrate concepts. Click Complete Recording when done, or record additional content sessions as necessary. The next step is to click Edit to review and edit the recording before automatically generating the various learning contents. Toggle between video format, interactive format, and VR format. During the review process, a progress bar with editing controls assists in segmenting the content into steps. Interactive tasks and questions are generated based on these steps. Multiple sessions with different marker setups can be recorded and edited as additional exercises. Review and adjust, if needed, then click Complete Editing when satisfied. Finally, click Publish to upload the content, making it accessible online for learners to experience in their preferred format. Now let's look briefly at the learner's experience. XRAuthor's generated content can be served as a standalone web app or embedded into existing sites, for example, Wikipedia. The VR mode can be enabled when the content is used in a web browser on VR devices, for example, a MetaQuest device. Note that the tool can also generate content for topics in other disciplines, such as chemistry. Learners can freely choose the appropriate format based on their preferences and accessibility to the experiences provided in the various immersion levels. To address the research question, we conducted one-to-one online workshops with participants in order to gather insights into the design of XR educator tools through perceptions of XRAuthor. We completed the workshop with 14 educators with prior experience in teaching computing-related subjects. The session was divided into 3 distinct phases. First, a demonstration phase for participants to gain a comprehensive understanding of the authoring workflow. Second, a tryout phase for participants to have a first-hand experience from both the educator and the learner's perspective, where they also performed to think loud during the interactions. Third, an interview phase for participants to reflect on any remaining experiences not articulated during the Think Aloud. We then transcribed and analyzed the recordings of the combined Think Aloud and interview textual corpus, and identified key themes that emerged from the data. We hope you found this video helpful to obtain a clearer idea of XRAuthor and our study based on it. For the results and other details, please read our paper. Thank you for watching.